Hello viewers, and welcome back to the Grass and Graves channel. Today I'm out at the Natchez City Cemetery, and I just concluded cleaning these markers and realized that I forgot to hit record on the camera. I've been filming various things since 2018. You think I would know to press record on the camera by now. But anyway, here we are. At least I got audio, or should have. These markers belong to the Cangemi family, and if you remember in one of my previous videos I mentioned that I went to school with their children, and I stumbled upon these markers one day when I was out here trying to locate one, and got in contact with one of the brothers and told them I'd go ahead and clean these up for them free of charge on me, because they're good friends, still are to this day. So we came out here and we pre-treated these markers with Endurance Headstone cleaner, and you'll see what they look like in the intro, or what they did look like. But we let them dwell for 15 minutes and then we scrubbed them. Now they wasn't too bad. This one here was kind of nasty, you'll see that. And we have a vase right here that's broken that I went ahead and pre-treated it. I'm going to let it clean up a little bit. I'll come out here and I'll put some adhesive on it and I'll strap it together to hold it in place and let it cure, and then we'll finish cleaning that up top notch. But we've already scrubbed and rinsed them down, and I have post-treated them with the Endurance Headstone cleaner, and we will check on them probably about 3 or 4 weeks, maybe sooner if we get any rain, because they're not going to do too much until we get some rain, because that helps rinse them off once this stuff is started doing its job. But anyway, I do appreciate you watching. I'm sorry that I didn't capture the process. That was my bad. I don't know what happened there. Just first day and all, I guess. But anyway, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, please subscribe. Like this video, share it, and maybe on the next video I'll remember to record it. See y'all on the next one.